Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you quickly how you make a copy of the document so you can share it with your partners. It's simple. You'll go to the lesson plan template link. So you'll click on that and it'll take you to the lesson plan template. You'll want to sign in. I'm not going to sign in here myself, but you will, well actually I will, sign in. So you'll want to sign in, and once you do that, you'll be able to go to File, Make a Copy. So you'll click that. It'll ask you to name it. It'll save it to your drive. You can just name it Lesson Plan Template. I'm going to name it Copy Lesson Plan Template. And then you'll go over to Share, and you will put the addresses of your partners here, and that'll allow them to also edit the document. So you can both, or you can all edit the document at the same time if you need to. So that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. As always, I'm right here for you, and good luck.